Karen Braun's had her home loan for just over a year, and already she's feeling the pinch. And with her upcoming wedding to pay for, it's unlikely to get any easier.
It's a fixed rate at the moment, but I do have some concerns about what will happen once that rate is finished.
Those concerns prompting Karen and her fiancé to consider refinancing their mortgage.
I reckon it will make a huge difference to our budget.
What Karen hadn't considered was internet-based home loans, a new way of lending offering some of the biggest savings. MyRate operates entirely online and over the phone.
So we're a direct lender. You lodge your applications online, you speak to our call centre, and there are no brokers involved in the process.
Meaning lower interest rates and less fees.
Through our extensive use of technology and by cutting out the middleman, we're able to deliver homeowners some of the lowest interest rates in Australia.
Also new to the home loan market is Virgin Home Loans. Like MyRate, the application process is done purely online and over the phone.
We have a much leaner operating model than the banks do, and so we can pass those cost savings on to borrowers in the form of lower interest rates and less fees.
Greg Benjamin recently refinanced his home loan, switching from a major bank to Virgin.
Petrol prices going up, grocery prices going up, you've got no control. So
add recent rate rises and renovation plans and it starts to add up. But after making the switch, things got a whole lot easier for Greg.
So when I got my loan, I got some extra money to cover the renovations.
Greg saved $35,000 over the term of his loan and more than $100 a month in repayments.
I've almost saved 3 Reserve Bank increases.
It's also a quicker process. Pre-approval takes just 2 minutes, final approval in 48 hours. The lack of face-to-face contact, no problem whatsoever for Greg.
You can have a look, make your own decisions without any pressure, and it was just a breeze.
But internet-based home loans aren't for everyone. For those wanting to develop a relationship with their lender, face-to-face contact can be extremely important.
Debt restructuring and debt structuring and strategies surrounding that can be incredibly important and save people a lot of money, and that's the type of advice that you're not going to get on the internet.
Finance expert Sonia Treble says while internet-based home loans might seem like a good deal, there's more to a home loan than the interest rate, such as long-term financial advising. If you do choose an internet-based home loan, Sonia says don't assume the lowest rate is the best deal, or that all loans serve the same purpose. Always do your homework, read the terms and conditions and seek professional advice first. But tread carefully and there are savings to be made. After crunching the numbers of Karen's loan, MyRate General Manager Kevin Sherman says she could save some serious money by refinancing after the fixed term.
On her particular loan size, for her particular details, she could save up to $80,000 over a 30-year loan term, which would reduce her monthly payments by about $200 a month.
It will make a fantastic difference.
Still, the idea of applying for a loan online remains uncomfortable for Karen.
I do prefer the face-to-face contact, but it is a convenient way to be able to do things.
As for Greg, though, he's one happy customer that wouldn't do it any other way.
It was an easy hour and a half, it was done, and $35,000 in my pocket.